Hello, good morning, happy Friday. It is Kayla from Unique in the Creek, and welcome back to Kayla's Corner. Trying to work on my intros. So I'm gonna wait for you guys to get in here, but I've got a few exciting things to share with you and show you as well. Anyone watch the game last night? We won. Canada won. I think Connor McDavid played a really good game. Did you watch the game, Mitchell?
Nope.
What?
I'm bored.
Good morning. Say hello when you come in. I'm sorry that I might be not flipped the right way. Unfortunately, we cannot figure it out on Mitchell's phone here. So, I'll just wait for more of you to come in and then we'll get started. Only got 7 of you guys in here right now. Good morning, Anne. Alright, I'm just gonna get started. I'm too impatient. So today we only have 3 of Jackie's picks because unfortunately the sign for one of them is now sold out and we couldn't find a replacement. So we'll get started on that and then I'll show you a couple of things after as well. So first we have this sign. It's 12 diameters and it says, you catch more flies with honey. So you got your honey jar and you got your little flies around it. This is MD0781. All right. For our mesh, we've got our black deco poly mesh. This is, hello Bev. This is RE890002. And then we have our ribbon. So we've got like this golden yellow honeycomb ribbon. Hello Lisa. And this is RGF 1595F4. We also have this cute white with a little like lace in the middle running down it. This is RGC 811227. For our accessories, we've got this yellow little bush spray. We also have it in white. We've got it in red. And do we have it? I think we have it in blue.
I think like 20 different colors.
Blue and pink. I think we have it in blue and pink.
There's 2 different yellow and green ones. Like that.
2 different yellow and green ones.
Just like that one.
Are you sure? All right. This one is FP105129. And we also have this floral spray, which is still relatively new. This is FH8071CX. All right. So that is our first one. Here's our sign again. Here's our spray. And then the mesh. And the ribbon. Alright, next up, we've got our Gone Fishing sign, which is something I need to get into more this summer. This is MD1324. It also has this little rod here. We've got 2 types of fishing rod accessories, but this one is MM9106. I want to see something. If you had your board, you could like hang it like that. Oh my god, that's so fun. And then we have this one I believe is also new, yes. This is another green little bush spray with little leaves. This one is FG6630H1. They always look so real. We also have this jute poly mesh. This is RY800518. And then our ribbons, we have this 2.5-inch red ribbon. This one is RGC 813524. And then we also have this ribbon. This one is RG016770. So that's the second one. Does anyone else like to fish? And if so, what fish do you like to catch? I've been fishing like twice and I've caught nothing, so nothing but air.
Dave gets fished all the time. I still don't think he's caught any.
Dave?
Yep. I hope he's watching this.
I don't know. I don't think I've seen him in here yet.
But Dave and catching fish come together.
Whoa! Good morning, Unique in the Creek. They just said morning, Kayla. Next up, we have Squeeze the Day. So, you know, in the springtime, we do love our lemons, and we love lemons with cleaning. So there's this. This is MD0803. I also discovered, like, I think it was last spring, I made this really, really good lemonade. Just, oh, you guys, it's so good. You gotta take, like, the lemons, and then you juice them, and then you take the peels, and you put it in, like a saucepan and some sugar and water because you're kind of making like simple syrup. Tastes really good after. Anyways. Then we have this little lemon ribbon. This one is 41526-09-21. We also have this yellow ribbon to go with it. And this one is RGC 8134CJ. For our accessories, we've got the white and green floral spray. This is FH807127. And then we also have this lemon spray, which is new as well. So we got two little lemons and the little flowers here. This is FH8148. So that's the last one. And these are Jackie's picks, and you can find them on our website or on the app under this week's picks. Now, for the exciting part, here is all of the new sets that have been created this week. Oh. There's quite a few, so just give me a moment. Okay, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8 new sets. Alright, and I get to show you them all. So I guess I'll start with this one. It's a Welcome Black Cow set. So you've got, okay, there we go. So you've got your little welcome cow sign here. It is a baby cow. Aww. Sorry, the light's kind of glaring on it. And then you got your 2 ribbons. So you have this 2.5-inch black ribbon, and you have a cow print ribbon. And then you can just buy whatever mesh you want to throw with it, or your accessories, whatever you want. Oh, sorry. This is BB2025. Next up, we have Welcome Friends set. So we've got pink little flowers around the border of our welcome sign. And then friends in cursive and pink. For our ribbon, we've got 3 different types of ribbons. Let me show you this one right here. So here's all the ribbons. This one is a sparkly ribbon. And this one is D2025. The black tune-up, which is a leather look ribbon. Oh, okay. And then we got, howdy y'all. And this one, I gotta like shake it down so I can show you guys the sign. Okay, I'm just struggling with it. So we got howdy y'all, we got a little cowboy boot, a little cow print at the bottom there, and then our ribbons. Oh, that's cute. Our ribbon here has horseshoe and cowboy boots on it. And then we got our cow print ribbon as well. This one is B2025. And then this one, very cute. It's welcome, but it's got these cute little birds on it. Look at the little birds. I forget what these are called, these birds. You wouldn't know. Canaries. That's not a blue jay. Blue jays are blue and white. Anyways, whatever. It's a really cute bird. And it also has the cute little ribbon to match them. And then we also have, I think this is the floral embossed ribbon. Anyways, this one is U2025. It's the welcome bird set. And then we also have, I like this one. It's kind of like a cottage core. It's welcome to our home. And it's got blue florals all over the sign there. Very pretty. And then we have, kind of looks like a denim pattern ribbon here. And also a floral blue and white ribbon to match the sign. This one is F2025. And now these 3, am I talking too fast? I hope I'm not talking too fast for you guys. I'm sorry if I am. We've got 3 different welcomes in 3 different colors. So we've got a big oval sign here in orange, white, and black. And we also have like the ribbon matches the pattern of the sign here. And then the other ribbon is black and white polka dots, but the other side is reversible, so it's black and white stripes. All right. This one is H2025. And then we've got a yellow one, same idea here. The yellow pattern matches the sign. And then we also have the black and white reversible ribbon here too. This one is I2025. And then lastly, we've got a pink, black, and white one. So once again, same concept. I don't know the exact size of this. What kind of board would you put this on? You could put this on an oval board, I think, if you turned it on the side. That'd be cool. This one is G2025. And so if you go on the website and you go to kids, or no, not kids, but new stuff, shop what's new, whatever, that should all be in there. As well as this other stuff we got in the warehouse, so some new signs, got a couple new accessories. There's this one accessory, and it's the fuzzy duckling. It's a little fur duckling guy. He's really cute, so that's perfect for Easter. But yes, so that's everything today. I will see you guys next Friday. Under new items is where you can find it. I gotta go get back to work because I got a lot to do. So happy Friday, everyone, and I'll see you next Friday. And have a great weekend.